In this video, I am going to be explaining how to create a task in Salesforce CRM. Welcome to Fingertip Technologies. My name is Saurav. Just before we get into the video, if your business needs any assistance with Salesforce consultation and implementation, please check out our website below. We help businesses all around the world with Salesforce CRM consultation and implementation. So, without further delay, let's get straight into the video. Once you log into Salesforce, you will land on the home screen. To create a new task, head to the Tasks tab at the top and open it. On this screen, you will see your list of tasks on the left and the details on the right. To begin, click the drop-down arrow on the top right corner and select New Task. This opens the task creation window where you can enter all the important details. Start by adding a subject. You can use a predefined option or simply type your own. For example, call test to keep it clear and quick. By default, the task will be assigned to you, but if you want someone else to handle it, just click the Assign to field and search for the user you want to assign it to. Next, choose a due date by selecting it from the calendar. I'll pick a date next week for this example. You can also relate this task to a specific contact and its associated account, which makes it much easier to track tasks directly from those records later. Just click the field, search for the contact, or create a new one if needed. If there are any additional notes or context, you can add them in the comments field. Below that, you can set the priority to high or normal. Choose whether the task is open or completed. Once all the information is filled out, just click Save and your new task will be created inside Salesforce. It's that simple. I hope this video has clearly explained how to create a task in Salesforce CRM. If you have any further questions, please drop a comment below. If you have enjoyed the video or found it at all useful, please consider giving it a like and possibly even subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.